I didn't want to sit at home and waste my early 20s. I wanted to do something with my life, and I thought, what's better than doing this?
I want to do something that A, is good for me, because I can get outside and do physical activity, as well as is in its own way sort of meaningful.
We're at the Solano Center. I kind of like that it is small.
Having a fairly small crew size, I think, has been sort of beneficial.
Because there's less of us, the C1s can actually work with you more individually. So you actually get to put more effort into trying to further what you want to learn. I think that's really nice.
I've met some, lifelong friends here. Some people here have treated me better than most people in my life.
Everyone's been really nice and welcoming, and working together, it's not as hard.
This is my place. It's not just the fact that it's less than 15 minutes away from my house, but you have a mixture of being comfortable and taking out of that comfort zone. And I think some people could use that.
I think the CEAS is more about the experience, make young adults prepare for their futures than just getting a paycheck.
I'm hoping to become a wildlife biologist. So I joined the CEAS to get certifications and trainings to try and help me so that when I'm leaving the CEAS, I'm able to get a job a little bit easier because I'll have some more experience to kind of back me up.
It's worth it because I like it. I like the experience. I like meeting people, making connections. I like my crew.
Do it, 100%. Only thing you should think about is your future when you're thinking about joining the CEAS. I can't think of any drawbacks.
I like it here. Wouldn't be here if I didn't like it here.
Copy.